Chat, what's good, man? Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the streams, yo. What's poppin'? How are you all doing? Hopefully I scared some of you. Good morning. Good, Malenko. Chat, come say hi. How are you all doing? All right, look, let's get into it. So, here we are. Exciting times, chat. Exciting times. There's a lot of opportunities today, a lot of potential. We're out here, man. We're out here. All right, nice. So, yeah, everyone's super quiet today. What's good? Wait, I need to put an announcement as well that the stream started. Let me do that. Everyone. Yo, I wanted these buys up here from this 15-minute, but I couldn't catch it, unfortunately. But they were super clean. Everyone. London, the stream starting. Nice. All right, we're in business. Yeah, where is everyone, man? What's going on? What's good, Malenko? There's loads of people in here, but I think they're I don't know, obviously doing other shit. Anyway, I'm gonna do a breakdown real quick. If people miss it, they miss it. Who cares? What's good, Joel? Evamp, what's good? Yeah, so I came early today. Nice, Joel. This is the regular time, man. You're just on time. It's not early. What's good, bro? Good morning, man. Yeah, so chat. Monthly time frame flipped, weekly time frame still pushing up here. Daily time 2 a.m. Yo, 2 a.m.'s crazy. Evamp, I respect it. I respect the dedication. What's good, Ben? Yeah, so daily time frame as well did push up throughout Asia, and we had a lot of tariff news, and we decided to just fucking rip throughout Asian session, break the highs, new all-time high, all that shit. Now the 4-hour and daily is starting to retrace a little bit. However, like I said, I wanted the buys from around here because it tapped into the 4-hour level. I just wasn't able to grab them, unfortunately. But that being said, right, the 4-hour has no top wick. It could flip at any point. The 1-hour time frame as well, coming up to, hang on, wait, the top of this level here. Let's just mark out our little areas right now. So we have a level that's quite strong. Oh, the 1-hour just closed as well, sorry, bearish. 30-minute did close bullish, but still sort of a downtrend here, which I'm a little bit concerned about. Now, the 1-hour, you have a level at 31.34. As well as that, your level to the downside is most likely down here at 31.11, which means that your range is fucking ginormous. This is just one massive range rate. You sound well? Yeah, I don't know about that. I think, yeah, I don't know. I'm actually not ill, so I don't know what it is, but maybe it's just my voice. You also have another level here at 31.24 as well. I think that's on the 30-minute as well. Yeah, quite clean. So realistically, now that you close back above, you're probably good to continue back up towards the top of this level. The only problem is that I see is that the structure is still sort of bearish, which could be a little bit concerning for us. However, with the hourly closing the way it was, the 4-hour closing the way it was, it's not like too bad. Let me open my broker real quick. Yeah, no top wick on this 30-minute as well. Just the concern is, right, you tapped into the level and now you start to reject it, chat. So there's no position for me right now. What I'm gonna do here is most likely we're gonna have to wait for a closure back above this 34 level. Or alternatively, right, if we can make some structure and push back above, that can be like our buys here. If you push down below 31.24 and then close back above like we did here. But yeah, 30-minute flipping right now. If this runs, it runs, right? So be it. Chat, I haven't had a trade in the last 2 days. Actually, if we don't get one today, it'll be 3, obviously, but I do think there's a lot of potential today. I do think there's a lot of opportunity. There's a lot of volume as well after the Trump news yesterday. I think the market was genuinely waiting for that to play out, and during New York today, I think we're gonna have a lot of volume and a decent move, because most of the big players would have been sitting out waiting to see what Trump did. So yeah, one sec, chat. Let me do something real quick. All right, I'm back. So, let's see what happens here. You starting to push back down after the flip as well. I just had 2 trades, one on Monday and Tuesday. Took 1 small trade yesterday too, around 30 pips. That's 3 then. That's 3. Lemon drink? Not today. What's good, Will? What's good, Danny? I've just been bugging like mad. I felt you were speaking in slow motion. It turns out for some reason my playback speed was at 0.75. That's crazy, bro. You got like a... started tripping or some shit. It's good, Nell. How's it going? Looking for buys also. Looks pretty good because of Trump's tariff. Yeah, I think so. I'm definitely leaning more towards buys than I am towards sells, to be honest. I don't think we're going to sell off today. I think this is most likely just a liquidity grab here before London session or before New York as well. Like, you have to remember, the New York exchanges aren't open yet to take advantage of the tariffs and everything. So I do think there's going to be crazy volume on New York Open today. That's my prediction at least, right? But anyway, now we're pushing down a little bit. My landlord put a tariff on my rent. Crazy. Crazy stuff. Where's my pen? What's good, Eugene? I lost my pen. I've also lost my GoPro. Yeah, if I lose this GoPro, that'd be the 3rd GoPro I've lost in the last year. Anyway, 5-minute close bearish here. No bottom wick though, which is interesting. I do expect us to push back up here, if I'm honest. You wanna come the next day, man? Yeah, maybe. Port 17, nice, Jay, congrats. All right, let's see what we do here, chat. I think there's so much potential. Yeah, I'm in such a mix here between like bulking and cutting as well. I'm gonna try to do like a mixture, but I've been eating like a motherfucker recently. All right, pushing down, chat. This is interesting, very interesting. So that's exactly what I was worried about, right? That's why there was no buys on the flip or anything like that. Because exactly what just happened there, right? You essentially are making this structure. If we would have had buys on the flip, like that, at any point you could do exactly what I had in my mind just here, which was to make another lower low and just continue down. And that's what we look like we're doing right now. So I think it was really, really good management to not take those buys. Even though you did technically have a fake out, I think if you flip here, you probably run, right? But you just came down and broke the lows. So realistically, absolutely excellent discipline. And this week has been a true testament of our discipline, right? No fucking positions for the last 2 days. Like that is pure discipline. You can sit for 2 days and not take a trade, even though I've been on the charts for London session and New York session both days. So I probably spent like 10 hours on the charts the past 2 days and no trade. That is such good discipline. I'm gonna sneeze. What? Looks like a downtrend right now. Wait for higher lows to initiate the buys. Yeah, look, like realistically, there's nothing I can do right now. We have to wait. We have to wait. That closure back up above 31, 34 might be nice. You are 100 pips away from it, but these candles have been ginormous. Like, if you look to the left, this candle here was like 200 pips, 350 pips. This 1 hour candle right there, 350 pips. Then you have like one here, another 250. These candles are massive, like absolutely ginormous. What's good, Zulu? How's it going, man? Chat, by the way, yeah, yesterday I did release a new YouTube video. If you haven't seen it, it's like a full breakdown on my strategy. I recommend you go and watch it. I recommend it. It's such a fucking good video. Obviously not now. Watch the stream for right now, but yeah, go watch it after stream. I'm gonna send a link in right now. New trading video out now. YouTube vid fire. Hey, Vamp, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's actually super educational, like super educational. I can't read that name, it's absolute gibberish, but welcome. I was like, is that some, I don't even know what it was, but yeah, no chance of reading that. Can I threaten prop firms with your personal brand? Crazy. No. I know SG, and if you don't pay me out, I'm gonna tell him to make a post about you, and you're gonna be in big trouble. That's Eugene right now. Definitely what he was about to do. All right, look, 15-minute close here in about 4 minutes, chat. 4 minutes. It looks like we are going to continue down, chat. There's no sells for me right now. The hourly rejected quite strongly. The 30-minute close bullish. If this 30-minute does want to flip and close above this little area here, then all the better. For right now, though, we've been fucking making big moves here, chat. Large push up, large push down. It's going to be a little bit difficult. But that being said, depending on what we do and the structure we print, I do think there's a lot of opportunity for us. But I need to see a closure outside this range. This range between like 34 and pretty much 11, to be honest, is like a pretty horrible range. But yeah, if you didn't know, also yesterday, Trump did introduce some reciprocatory tariffs, right? On like fucking pretty much the entire world. So that's why gold pushed up like crazy yesterday. Also, do we have news today? We do have news today. Unemployment claims at 1:30 UK time. PMI at 3 o'clock UK time. So we should have some decent volume, chat, to be honest. We should get some decent volume this afternoon. Hello, may I ask what you started with? Did you go with a funded account? I did go with a funded account when I started, and then I was very shit at trading, so I blew all of them. And then I went to a live account, and I just slowly started to stack that up, and that's why I started to that's when I started to actually make some money and like actually see consistent profits. And then I just went all in and like deposited all the money I had pretty much into the broker and scaled that way. And I also have traded prop firms since then, but mostly live account, to be honest. But good question, Day. I like it. Why didn't you trade yesterday, SG, when the buys went crazy? Just bit my tongue. What, here? Or when? Look at yesterday's price action, bro. Like, chat. Tell me how the fuck I could trade this. This was yesterday's price action when we were looking at it. So you had essentially, fucking, if we map it out, you had a big push up with no entry, big push down, no entry, and then you just went, yep, let me just consolidate here for 5 hours. And then as market closed, it pushed up, pushed down again. There's no trade there, chat. Like, this barcode right here was the majority of, this was New York session yesterday. Like, just fucking ridiculous. Honestly, terrible price action. Zero trading opportunity for us. And that's why I haven't taken a trade in 2 days, right? I got some sellages. Nice. If you took something, then fair play, but for me, that was absolutely garnicked. Buckle. You get killed with that yesterday? Yeah, 100%. Like, either you get in a position and then you just have to sit through like choppiness for a few hours. But most likely, yeah, you get absolutely wrecked on these liquidity wicks. Well, there's buys after the New York session. I don't know which one you're on about, bro. Like, there's a push up here with no bottom wick, or there's this push up here, which was like pretty much Asian, right? And that was market close. I can't take it. There's nothing I can do. Yesterday. I don't trade Asian as well. I was asleep by this time. This was like 11 o'clock UK, which was 1 a.m. Cyprus time. So, like, I'm not on the charts at 1 a.m. I used to be a chart demon and just stay on the charts the whole time. But now I spend like, you know, London and New York session, and then that's it. I'm done. Done. Thing is as well, like, something I find really funny in trading is if I have a week where there's no setups and like I think it's terrible price action in my opinion, someone else like an ICT trader or an SMC trader or whatever, that'll be like the perfect week for them. They'll have so many setups, they'll have like great price action. I saw someone on Twitter yesterday saying about how good price action is right now, and I was just thinking, like, it's so different depending on your strategy, but for me right now, the price action is really terrible. But then there's been periods of time where, in our strategy, price action has been great, absolutely perfect, but for someone who trades a different strategy like ICT, it's like the worst price action ever. So it just depends. Some people have like a great week, some people don't have any setups. It's just how it goes. But I mean, we made 3.5k on Monday, right? With that trade on Monday morning, literally 7 a.m. Monday morning, we made 3.5k. So I'm not like in desperate need of a trade. We're chilling. Only tough people last? Tough time never last. Only tough people last. True though. Time out for Eugene. Yeah, Noodle Horse. I don't know if you can do it, but no, I don't think you can. Only Spion can time out other mods. Spion wields that mighty power to time out other mods. The mod god. Where's Mark? He's holding Mark hostage? Nah. Guy's probably at school. 15 closed below, chat. Below the level, top wick first, flipping. Should see a continuation down here on this candle. Okay, the next area we can probably get buys are if it taps into 31.11. Grabs a shitload of liquidity and rejects. Other than that, like I said, chat, I need a closure back above. You move to Cyprus and all of a sudden Mark disappears. Yeah, exactly. That tuna shake incident was absolutely terrible. I still can't believe he did that. $31.13. Yeah, it's not bad. I'm just incorporating this little area here, to be honest. 31.13 is not a bad level, but look, you do have a level below it as well. I essentially always move my levels. So say your level's here, right? I'll always move my levels to incorporate something like this, where you have like a little bit of a lower level. It's just a lot safer to wait for that tap than anything else. Obviously, this one's like quite clearly a fake out, so I'm not too worried about that. Especially because it's 50 pips away, right? So you can be break even by the time that comes into effect. But for right now, you need to just be concerned about, like, for example, if we had our level, how can I do this? Oh yeah, if we had our level here, right, to this area to the left, and you get a closure above, that's fine. But what might happen is, you might come up, tap into this little area here, and then reject. So the safer thing to do is just to incorporate that level within your zone and wait for a closure above that one. Especially when you look at the 30, I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's a strong level. True say. True say. You would know that if you watched the most recent YouTube video. I explain all of that in great detail for about 20 minutes in the new YouTube video. I was there in the premiere. No, I know you were, Jed. I know you were. I saw you. Montana was good. Good morning. Triz as well. Triz loves that Batman command. Chat, who's the most active commenter? Let's have a look. Who's typed the most in stream? How do I log in? All right, nice. 0 timeouts today. Chat, you can get stream stats. That's crazy. Top chat is Ben. Second Eugene. That's just for today though. I want to see regulars. Oh wait, no. How do I do this? Logs. Crazy. You can see all the messages. Ben, 500 messages just today. How do I do all time? There's been 3,000 chat messages already today. That's crazy. I swear there's a way I saw it before. You can get Nightbot for Discord. That's crazy. This isn't from today, bro. Yeah, you're right. I realized that very quickly. It's not. When is this from though? What's the time span? This week? Oh, quick 7-day overview. Okay, that makes sense. Still though, that's a lot. Fair. SGF doubled. Lemon drink. You've doubled lemon drink. Ben's head yapper. Crazy. Hey bro, will it go down to 3105 zone for a bigger liquidity sweep or reject around 3109 to 11? Hang on. I'm reading my crystal ball. Just let me. I'm seeing some in chat. It's gonna blow your account. Nah, I don't know. Fucking. I can't predict that shit. I'm just joking, by the way, bro. I don't know what it's gonna do, man. It could do anything here. We just wait for it to make its move and then we react, right? But I can't predict anything. W's in chat for the crystal ball. Mate, if I had a crystal ball that actually worked, we'd be rich. I'd give you guys signals as well. GGPM, what's good, man? Did you take anything yesterday? Absolutely nothing from me yesterday or the day before. The only trade that I've taken this week is a 50 pip win on Monday. That's it. There's been no setup, so I've literally just been waiting. Discipline to the max. Absolute, like, fucking monk mode. Sat there like this, no trades. GG, same here, good stuff, man. Yeah, congrats, that's good. If there's a breakout on the 1 hour time frame and all the other time frames line up with a retest as well, but there's no liquidity being grabbed, does that make it the breakout invalid? 1 hour time frames, all the other time frames line up. You need liquidity, yeah. You need liquidity. Unless there's like a high amount of volume, then you can potentially take it. But you need some form of like a bottom wick or something like that, because otherwise there's no real room for it to move. But to be fair, what you're saying is kind of rare. It's very rare that there's like no liquidity grabbed and we just break out. I was so tempted at around 8 AM for you yesterday. This one, yeah, we saw that as well on stream, but I couldn't take it either. Actually, that's exactly what the same example that Discipline just said. Discipline key. There was no liquidity grab, so I didn't take it. So that actually proves the point. I mean, it still played out, right? But then you, at the very next point, you came down and grabbed liquidity. So like exactly what we were saying, right? You can't take any positions with that. What are these OPEC meetings happening today? Let's have a look, shall we? Is it on Forex Factory? Oh yeah, here. Attended by representatives from the 12 OPEC members and 11 other oil-rich nations. They discuss a range of issues regarding energy markets and most importantly, agree on how much oil they will produce. It doesn't really affect us, bro. It's mostly for oil, sorry. That's if you're like an oil trader. I think that's going to be a big impact. But for us, it's not really a big issue. Looking like a Please Burger play, Foreman. Please Burger cheese. I had only 2 non-activated limit orders in the last 2 days. No trade, patience, and discipline. W, bro. That's exactly what I'm trying to teach all of you guys, right? Like the way that you are going to become profitable is just through discipline. The rest of it you already know. You know the strategy. You know the entry types. You know the breakout. You know all of that, right? But the thing that you don't have is the discipline to wait for a perfect setup. Once you do have that, that's when you can become profitable, right? That's when we actually unlock that profitability. So that's what I would focus on working on for all you guys. Focus on, fuck the strategy. The strategy is the easy part. Focus on the mindset, the discipline, all of that sort of thing, and you're gonna get there so much faster. Also around 6 p.m. again, really tempted to take a sell after the closure below, but no top wick on the 6 p.m. candle. Here, yeah. That was also a 4-hour, right? It was a 4-hour open as well. Oh no, sorry, this was the 4-hour open. So the 4-hour still had no top wick, which basically meant that, like, yeah, you can't take sells. There's no way you could have taken sells there. What about the Arkham play? No comment. 30-minute closing here in about 1 minute and 30 seconds, chat. Let's see what happens here. There should be a decent amount of potential right now. It looks like we're trying to make a decision here. It looks like we're struggling to push either direction, to be honest. You're either trying to push, like, essentially, right now, you're either loading up for another push down, or the fact that it's hovering around here is maybe an indication that we're likely to come back up. But what that means is it's very indecisive, and therefore you can't take a position, because if gold doesn't know where it wants to go, how the hell are you meant to know where it wants to go? You can't, right? So you're just gambling at that point. Whoa. Alright, nice. After me earlier at Asian session, took a sell near 31.48 with a 20 pip stop loss. I already had a sell limit, but I deleted it and entered manually. If I waited for the limit, I would have caught 80. It's what it is, bro. Before the breakout? Yeah, bro. We move, right? Sometimes things like that happen. But yeah, no shoulda, coulda, wouldas around here, man. 30-minute looks like it wants to close below the level. Obviously, it's extremely choppy here. That oh, okay. I'll take that back. Last second, it closed back above. Rather interesting, that. It was like, nah, SG, fuck you. You said it was closing below? No way. Good MC, how's it going, man? Is that a riddle? Is what a riddle? Oh yeah. It looks like one, right? Good, thanks. Yeah, I'm chilling, man. Alright, chat. Obviously the volume's died down a little bit as well. We should see that volume start to kick in around, like, to be fair, around now. Or if it's not now, it'll be like 9 o'clock. But realistically, yeah, we should have some opportunities here once the volume starts to kick back up. The moment you close back above this level here, you're gonna fly, right? We haven't closed above here for a long time. And when you do, it just rips. Has anyone sent a super chat? Whatever, yeah, there's been quite a few. I turned them off for ages, and then I had to turn them back on when I turned back on monetization. Because I stopped my ads on the channel for like 2 months just to see what happened. But I think it was actually a negative effect rather than anything else. So like I had to turn that back on like a couple of weeks ago. But yeah, like when we first started, there was loads of super chats. Obviously, chat, don't send them though. Like I don't need your money. I don't want it. Keep it and put it in your account. You know what I think is crazy? It's that like people donate to like people like Kais and that or Aiden Ross. How are you donating to those people? I don't understand it. Like, you're donating to a fucking multi-millionaire. Why would you do that? Jed. Thank you, bro. £2, little pear emoji. W Jed. Thank you, bro. I'm gonna refund it. Can I do that? I don't know how to do that. Bro put the fucking super chat just to send me a little fucking pear. Fucking dancing on the screen. I respect it. I respect it. When did you start trading? I'm 19, turning 20 in a few days. I started when I was about 20, 21. Get yourself a lemon drink. I will do. Thank you, Jed. Why are you donating to a millionaire? I'm not quite a millionaire yet. It's the goal though, chat. 2025? Maybe. I want to hit a mil liquid. Not in 2025. I mean, maybe. I would love it, right? But you have like a millionaire and then you have like a mil liquid. Because realistically, chat, like 99% of people that are worth £1 million, it's not like liquid, is it? I don't have like a million liquid. Gotta remember there's gonna be more giveaways. Get investing in the future. Smart. Smart play right there. Yeah, Dale, to answer your question, I started when I was about 21, I think. 20 maybe. That pair's blushing right now. That's funny as fuck. Alright, 5-minute closing here. See what happens. Are we going to start a push back up? 30 minutes, started to flip as well after making a bottom wick. Yeah, this could be interesting. You do have a 4-hour close as well in like, oh no, it's an hour and 25 now that the clock's gone back again. Alright, that's fine. Chat, listen, drop a like on the stream as well. It's a free stream, free value. The least you can do is drop a like. We did get to 50 likes yesterday on the stream, which was like good. We hit our like goal. Augustin, I think, is weird, like on TikTok Live. TikTok Live, bro. People were, do you remember that like time when people were making an absolute fortune on TikTok Live? Like that AI woman and everything. Making like fucking, I don't know, 60K a day or something. Well, you've actually been consistently trading live for a long time. Or consistently live trading, sorry. Yeah, if you go on my channel. Wait. Let's load this up. You've actually been consistently trading live for a long time. I have. So like, if you go on my channel, go to live right here, you'll see that I've actually been live trading every single day the market's been open ever since, when was that? January 2024. So like basically 15 months now straight, live on stream. Every single trade that I've taken has been on live. That's why we get comments saying like I'm the most transparent in the industry, because it's fucking true, right? No one else can do that and actually execute live and all that sort of thing for such a long period of time. You know, if you ask your favorite guru to do that, I guarantee they won't. If you ask all these guys that you see with big prop firm payouts, I guarantee they won't. Yo, Cryptomaniac, bro, thank you for the dono, but gang, don't donate, man. I appreciate it a lot, Cryptomaniac there. It's gonna go towards actually, no, I'm gonna see if I can refund them afterwards. You're the GOAT though, man. I appreciate it. A few of them tried but gave up in less than a month. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. What's good, Rays? What's good, Crypto as well? How you doing, brother? Hopefully you're good, man. How are the little ones? He's creating millionaires. Yo, imagine, like, I think it's gonna take at least like a year or so, maybe a bit longer, but imagine when we create the first TRLS millionaire from like being a student. I wonder who it's gonna be. It could be you, Cryptomaniac. Or Rays, or Ben. Who's it gonna be, man? Someone's gonna make a meal. I reckon it might be Jar, you know. Mark's definitely gonna be a millionaire, bro. That guy's a little hustler. 16 and a little hustler. What's good, KB? By 2030, I will if my plan plays out. This guy's scheming. Scheming away. I like it though. I like it. You have to, right? You have to. I need Ethereum to get back to the highs for me to get my fucking money back before I can actually achieve that goal. Oh, yo. What? Chat. The day I make my first $1 trading will be the day I quit. As I've completed it. Yeah, fair. Fair. Who we saying is a millionaire? I'll take a donation. Nah, we were just trying to figure out who's gonna be the first TRLS millionaire from like the community. I think it's gonna be I don't know who. Bottom incoming, BTC looking primed to take off. I stacked some BTC as well the other day when it was down like a little bit further. At like 82, I think I bought. 2028 to buy an Audi R8. Why an R8, bro? I think they're so mid. I think R8s are so mid. I mean, if you like it, then fair enough, but I mean, like, nah, they're gorgeous cars, don't get me wrong, but in the spectrum of supercars, I think, like, chat, you know what I saw yesterday outside my gym, which was crazy to see in person, like, because I'm actually, like, getting really desensitized to supercars. It sounds crazy, but there's so many supercars and, like, yachts and everything where I am, you get desensitized to it, but I saw something yesterday that actually I was pretty baffed by. It was weird to see in person. It was a Lamborghini Starato. You know the 4x4 Lamborghinis? Like the off-road ones, sorry. Like that with all the like lifted, the roof rack, all of that sort of thing was so weird to see. The big lights on the front. This one. This, bro, it looked exactly like this. It's so weird to see like an off-road style Lamborghini. But it was sick, I can't lie. Really fucking cool. Why don't you like R8s? Nah, legit, I don't know, you can get them quite cheap as well. Like, I'm pretty sure you can buy an R8 that's not too old for like 30, 40k. I might be wrong, but I don't know, like a little bit. Yeah, let's see, like a 2016 R8 is like 30k. I think they lose value super quick. I don't know. Anyway, besides the point, we have a 15-minute close here in about a minute's time. You did fail to push up as well. So yeah, let's see what we do here, chat. It looks like we do want to close below and continue down, to be honest. Have you been traveling? Not like traveling. I've seen a lot of the world, but not like, I haven't done the whole 6 months in Thailand type shit. I don't know, that's not really for me. I go on like trips. I go on like little week-long trips to places. I don't want to stay in like hostels and shit as well. But I do have to go out to like Asia at some point though. I really need to go to like Bali, Thailand, just to see what it's like, you know? Like Cambodia, all those places. I really want to go to Vietnam as well. Go see Fnam's family. Wherever that guy is. Okay, chat, look, 15-minute closing here. Again, like, it's untradeable right now. Literally untradeable. It's just slowly, like, making its way down. Do a fight cam like Hamza and post it. I always said, when I make, like, a couple mil, I'm gonna go and, I'm gonna go and, like, disappear for like 6 months, do a fight camp, and then yeah, do that. And you need to go to India and eat some street food. I'm chilling, bro. I'd be in a fucking hospital for weeks. Weeks and weeks and weeks. Fight camp would be sick though, like a proper fight camp. Thing is, these guys do one fight camp and think they're like, I don't know, ready for Bellator or the UFC. Indian Street Boss, final boss, yeah. Plenty of those turd sausages there, PSG. Yo, those sausages are actually banging though. Like, that is honestly, I actually want to, wait, let me figure out the macros for this meal. Do I still have MyFitnessPal? I don't really use it, but I think that's the fucking craziest meal. Below 31.16 is a liquidity grab area for me. Yeah, that's not too bad. I think realistically, you might need to come down towards like 31.06, to be honest. All right, Danny, in a bit, bro. I think that meal, wait, let's do this. Can I ask ChatGPT? I might just ask ChatGPT. Not now. How much? Wait. What are the macros for a meal with 4 eggs, 4 Cypriot beef sausages, crazy, and I don't know what it was, like 8 pieces of halloumi with hummus. No way, bro. That's a brazy meal. There's no way it's that. Maybe it is. I don't think so, though. It can't be. I think that's got to be cat. 2,000 calories. No way. Read the eggs. That's about right for eggs, though. 4 eggs is like 300 calories. But I'm just thinking, like, nah, I don't know. Maybe. If it is, that's crazy. That's a big boy meal. No, I'm saying I read it wrong. Oh, you just read the eggs. Yeah, okay. No way, that's 2,000 calories, bro. No wonder I'm absolutely ginormous. I'm joking. Bulking, I'm cutting though, that's the thing. Meant to be losing weight, man. Now, I had the craziest leg day though yesterday, chat. Like, I haven't trained legs in such a long time properly. Backed out squats and everything. Like, actually did a serious leg day. Bro, I was in pieces afterwards. One of those leg days where you're like struggling to walk down the stairs. It felt good though. Halloumi, I swear, is high calories. Yeah, but it's pretty much just protein and a little bit of fat, right? I don't really care about calories though. As long as I'm eating clean, like, I'm not gonna gain weight. Especially with like how hard I train and everything. There's no way that I'm gonna get like fat. A lot of fat? Yeah, but I'd rather have high fat than high carb. Like, I try and stay away from carbs really throughout the day. You do cardio? A little bit. Here and there. Not as much as I should. I'm eating more protein and fats with less carbs now. I mean, it's definitely the way to go, bro. It's definitely the way to go. Like, especially for like mental focus. If I, like, genuinely, after eating the way that I've eaten for such a long period of time, if I go and have like carbs before I try and focus, I literally just can't. I literally just cannot focus at all. I think it's crazy, but the insulin spike on your brain literally stops you from being able to focus. Plenty of rest? Nah, no rest. Small amount before training, but a decent amount after. Yeah, the problem is, right, I train in the morning, so I need to work after I get back from the gym. So I don't eat carbs after the gym, just because I know technically you should, right? But I put a priority on my work and my focus, because if I don't, I'm pretty fucked. Got 9 minutes into the hourly closure. Are we gonna flip? What's good, Max? How's it going, brother? What's good? Okay, chat. I think there's a lot of opportunity here for us. The only thing I need to see right now is I'd like to see if we can close bullish on this 1 hour maybe with the top wick, then we can take some buys. Otherwise, I mean, look, the 30-minute does look good to continue back up now. The 30-minute doesn't look too bad. We failed to break the low here. You made a higher low right now. You're also making a higher high than this previous one on the lower time frames. So technically, you could try and take a position target in, like, I guess that 1 hour no top wick, and then the top of the range. Stops will be foul. Stops on the 30 are 57. It's not too bad. It's not too choppy above here, to be honest. Above this level here, it's not too choppy. You have pretty much clean traffic up towards the top of the range. Especially because like you broke all the lows now. The 4 hour still has no top wick. 1 hour rebroke the low down here. Look at the liquidity we're grabbing, right? You're grabbing a shitload of liquidity from below. And you grab really none from above. Potentially we can grab a position here in the next sort of 7 minutes. There's that 1 hour flip I was talking about, chat. That's what I mean, man. There's that push up that we were looking at. 5 no top or bottom wick right now. Gold recently though has been fucking filling the range right before we get our position, like literally right before. So we need to obviously see how it's going to close, right? I don't want to get too excited. We've still got 7 minutes. Last time, like yesterday, I was waiting for a position. It was 3 minutes before the close and it looked lovely. I was like, yeah, beautiful. We're about to get a position here. 3 minutes before the close, and then it just went wham, filled the range. I was like, sick. So good. Do you see that chop right before market close? Yeah, kind of crazy to be honest. Right here. Because of the tariffs. Oh. Starting to reject though, chat. Again, the closures here are going to be very important. You have 6 minutes. Not a long time to wait. Yeah, black coffee. I already had one. I'm about to take pre-workout as well to go to the gym. So I'm probably not going to do that. I would love to. I've got to be smart though, right? Take a pre-workout in the coffee. Smart. That's always a smart play. Whereas, like, a couple of months ago, I did a pre-workout in I used Monster as the water. I was fucking pinging. It was, yeah, insane. All right, let's see, chat. Yeah, my mouse is dying. All right, nice. So, like I said, 1 hour flipped here. Realistically, there's no reason why you shouldn't tap into the top of the next range. Like, there's literally no reason. The only problem is, if you look at the 1 hour stops, they're rather large. You'd have to probably use like 30-minute stops, or even you could look at structure here and place your stops like there. Still going to be large though. So potentially we could try and catch a wick entry. Otherwise, you have to use current candle stops, which means we need a big bottom wick, right? Which is difficult. 30-minute stops is not too bad, right? I mean, yeah, it is. It's fucking diabolical. What if you have a wick entry? Even a wick entry, you need to come down a lot further. You're gonna feel the range here. I'm pretty certain you're gonna feel the range. How did the 5 close? Top wick, bullish. Yeah, chat. Oh my god, it might fill the range. It's gonna be difficult here, man. But this looks clean, to be honest. Like, it looks clean to continue back up to at least 31, 34. You've got 50 pips of room pretty much until you tap into that level. 45. It's adequate room for us here, chat. You could place your stops below that structure, but it's not the most valid. Let's see though, chat. 3 minutes. Start to lock it in here. Let's be patient and see how this forms. Nice little sky dweller on the 1 hour here. If you can close, like, even if you can close doji here, chat, on the 1 hour with a top wick and then you make a bottom wick on the open, that's going to be a very clean position. Only problem is now you're tapping into these levels here, which is not ideal. But even though every time you have closed in this level, you do tap 31, 34, right? So we should be good to tap that regardless. Only question now you have to try and figure out, chat, is how do you get the stops? How do you get the stops? Like I said, you either wait for a retest of this level and place your stop somewhere like down here, at that, or you wait for a bottom wick to be made on the next candle and use the current candle stops. One of those two things is gonna happen. Or we just pop straight up, no bottom wick, and fill the range, which is equally as likely, to be honest. In fact, probably more likely. Especially after grabbing that much liquidity, I think there's a high chance to just off the rip pop up. Whew. If it closes like this, that'd be a really nice trap. Daily coming up towards like the daily flip here. 4 hour coming up towards, well, not coming up to, but still needs a top wick as well. You grab the shitload of liquidity from down below here. As long as this doesn't run without us, we might be clean here. You prefer to enter on the 30 or the 1 hour time frame? It just depends on what forms. Right, it depends on what actually plays, like what time frame closure happens. You know, if it happens on a 30, I'll take a 30, but if there's a 1, then obviously I prefer the 1, right? The 1 hour is a stronger confirmation because the 1 hour is a stronger confirmation just because obviously it's a higher time frame, right? There's less closures. But chat, you made this big push down here without making much structure at all, to be honest. Even on like the 30, you just push straight down. It makes so much sense for us to at least retest 31, 34 here. Otherwise, like we can essentially play it off of a retest of this level here, sorry, 31, 24, 25. But yeah, realistically, you should tap into this level. So let's see, chat. You got 45 seconds till the closure. Lock it in. You want to start to push down right now, basically. Not push up. That's upwards. I said downwards gold. This pair does not listen, right? You tell it to push down, and it pushes straight up. Okay, chat. You made a tiny bottom wick. You did close bullish though, which is good, obviously. It's starting to push back up here though. I think with all the liquidity you've grabbed, you're most likely gonna pop straight up. That makes it a little bit tougher, chat. That does make it a little bit tougher, I can't lie. Yeah, you didn't break the high, to be fair. It's good, Tony. Good morning, man. This London has better movement than yesterday, though. That is true. That is very, very true. Chat, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Hi, Life. Good morning, man. All right, so indecisive right now. Can we come down? Yeah, volume dead as well. Can we come down and tap the level? Only problem I see now is like the 5-minute structure doesn't really look the best. It's like flipping, reflipping. You made a bottom wick for the previous 5, which most likely means you're gonna rip here. Yeah, you broke the high again. And it's gone. There she goes, chat. There she goes. Are you in this trade? No, I was waiting for it to come down. I'm not in the trade. It's not going to come back down to our entry, to be honest. It's just going to push straight through, I think. Tap your advantage point. You've already grabbed a shitload of liquidity, right? So it looks as if, to me, that you don't really need any more. You should continue up. But that little retest was super nice there. What's good, Veg? I was waiting for the exact same. Yeah, man. Broke the highs, which is tough. So now if you push back down here, there's no guarantee that you're going to continue back up, right? The break of your high was like it was essentially your advantage point there. Now what I need, yeah, is a break of 34 on this hourly here. I need to see now a closure above 34 on maybe the 30-minute as well, but obviously the hourly is going to be preferable. Saeed, what's good, man? What shows are you watching at the minute? I'm literally binge watching The Blacklist. Like whenever I get like, I probably only watch TV like when I eat basically. But yeah, the minute it's The Blacklist. I'm trying to finish it, but it's so fucking long. Took a quick 16 pip scout from the bottom wick entry. Here. Crazy, fair play. Are you strictly trading London session? So I trade London session on YouTube, obviously, and then I trade New York session in the Discord. So I trade both, but yeah, only London on YouTube. Raymond Reddington, what a character. Yeah, guy's a gangster, a true gangster. It's actually pretty inspiring, I can't lie, like the way he acts and shit. He gets you funded on any session in the mentorship. Ben the plug right now. Chat, look, reflips as well. It's true, chat. If you do want to get funded within 60 days, click the link that Ben just sent in, and you can essentially that's the wrong. I need to change the link. Yeah, you can essentially apply for the mentorship program where you'll essentially get guaranteed to be funded within 60 days. Super fucking valuable. But yeah, I need to change that link actually. Wait. What's the price? We can discuss the price on the call, right? I don't really shout it out too much. But there's options, right? It's got a YouTube ad mid-sentence, what the hell? Oh shit, my bad, Omar. Watch Breaking Bad or Prison Break? Prison Break is good, I've seen it. And I've seen Breaking Bad too. Breaking Bad, it's a controversial opinion, but I'm of the opinion that Breaking Bad was rather mid. I thought it was a little bit mid, to be honest. I didn't really enjoy it too much. One hour didn't cook? No, I didn't at all. Breaking Bad was super boring to me. Couldn't get past season 2. Yeah, same. Everyone thinks it's like this god tier fucking thing, but it's not. Is Noodle Holes in here? I need him to do some mod work for me. Mr. Holtz. Reacher is decent. Reach is okay. Race, do you know how to change commands? Isn't it like command change or something? I don't know. It didn't do shit. Yeah, I want to change the commands though. Ken, do you have 22 baby mother? 23 baby. 22 baby mother. Real. I'll just do it on Nightbot, it's fine. I'll just do it on Nightbot. I'll do it later though. Chat, we're starting to push up here, fill the range. Kind of tapped your advantage point too. It's a little bit tough, if I'm honest. It's a little bit tough. Alright, wait, that should be updated now, right? Cobra Kai? Nah. I never watched that. How's Trump coin doing? Bro, I got no clue. I was never involved in any of that. I think it's changed, wait. Let me just check. I took the trade, I'm in. Nice, Joel. Hopefully it plays out for you, brother. Yeah, it did change, alright, good. Nice. With tariffs, surely it's flying. Nah, yeah. I don't think anyone's... I think it's just going to die out the same as all crypto, like, meme coin shit did, to be honest. Chat, I don't have anything here until we close above this level, like I said, right? How's Cyprus treating you? Extremely good, brother. Extremely good. I appreciate it. What's good, George? Yes, I'm here. What's good? Missiles. No, I've done it, bro. I just had to change the mentorship command. But I've changed it. Don't worry. Euro and GBP hit 1% up in the morning, probably because of the tariff thing. Gold just ranging. I mean, gold didn't really just range. It shot up like crazy, like 500 pips. Got taken out of BE. Jed loves a BE. Yeah, chat, there's no position there for me. This could rip down at any point. No more trades, mister. Jed's getting a 10.5. Let's see though, chat. I'm gonna probably watch this next 30 minute and then maybe call it because it's just fucking annoying, chat. Not annoying, but it's just there's nothing here. There's literally nothing. Why is my appetite so crazy as well? Like, appetite's going insane right now. I ate so much food yesterday and I'm still hungry this morning. I'm never hungry in the morning. Normally in the heat, it's harder to eat. Bars. No way you said bars. I actually said that before you even put that. That's insane. Yeah, anyway. Fucking... Chat. Not much I can do here. What's good, Kareem? How's it going, brother? So when you have something like this, chat, what I'm looking at right now, essentially my thought process here is, if we delete our markings, you just have a range between here and basically here, right? And now you're stuck in this range. Like, you're completely stuck in the range. And you can see every time we come up and tap into the top of this level, you start to push back down. And now there's a likelihood we're going to do the same thing here. I wanted to take the bias to continue towards the top of the range, but now I genuinely think, chat, I think the best play here is just to wait until we close outside of this area here. I don't really want to be trading this range. It's not even one of those ranges where it's nice and you can essentially like take advantage of the tops and bottoms, because you actually just really can't in this. It's so choppy. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for that closure above this level. I think that's most important. There's many poke outs and uncertainty. There is, but there's no closures, right? Like, I understand that what you're saying. There's definitely like liquidity grabs from outside of the range, but we haven't really closed above this level. Every time you close above it, it's just super clean traffic, right? You close above it, you push back up here. You close above it, you push back up. Even when you close back into this range, you push back down. So realistically, you need to see a closure above. Once you get that, then it's valid. But 1 hour just made a top wick and drive back down into the range. Yeah, it could be, but again, it's one of those things, right? Like, you've got so much choppiness here. I don't even want to be trading this. You have rejection area here, 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 rejection area here, rejection area here. There's rejection areas everywhere in this range. It's so choppy. So choppy. So the best thing we can do quite clearly is just wait. Did Jed complete the course? Let's check. Let's check. So glad I figured out I could do this, right? How do I see analytics? Yo, Louis completed it 100%. Christian, 80%. Jed. Jed. 39%. I don't know, man. From what I'm seeing, it says 39% right there. Straight cap, I finished it. Bro, Jed's been put on the hot seat right now. Gold really testing? Yeah, it is what it is, man. I had one trade this week on Monday morning, and by the way, that trade would have just literally played out the entire fucking way. Was it here? No, it was lower, right? Where was that trade? I think it was like here. Oh no, you would have got stopped out, but break even, right? But fair. Had since the beginning of the week a sell idea. Today it played out on Asian when I was sleeping. That is tough. Bro, chat, I don't know why so many people are trying to sell all-time highs though. It really baffles me. Like, so many people I see trying to catch sells. Bro, we're just pushing it up like non-stop. I don't know, man. It's just not for me personally. Gold is testing patience levels, which is good for the mind and mastery of chi. Chi. That type shit. Yeah, no, you're right though. It's really good for patience. Really good for patience this week. That one-to-one giveaway, that will never ever happen. Never ever ever. I'll never do a promo code or anything like that for it. In fact, it's only gonna raise in price. Like next month, I'm gonna double the price. Most likely. Because it's like only I get the one-to-one giveaway. Maybe, we'll see. Nah, not even for you, Badge, unfortunately. Bro, but it takes so much of my time. It's also so valuable. I've had 3 funded account passes since the fucking program started like 2 weeks ago. So it's fucking insane. And then also, yeah, man. Oh yeah, man, you're advertising Alpha Capital with 20% off yesterday. I bought 60% off. 60% off Alpha Capital. How? How'd you get 60% off? Bro, I'm buying 1 million accounts if they have 60% off. There's no shot. Fernand's gonna take over the world, bro. It will. Bro, I'm trying to see this 60% off shit. I think he's just coming here and cap. No discount on knowledge. As said, it can only go up. Why would early worms pay more than discount hunters? Yeah, bro, 100%. That's what I'm saying. Like the ones who came in early get rewarded, right? And then from then on, everyone who like joins obviously just pays regular price. But bro, like, especially the ones who joined early, they're gonna be my proof of concept. And then like, we already have a lot of demand, but there's gonna be fucking people knocking down the door because, bro, some guy got funded within 6 days of joining. Are you joking? 6 days? Tell me another program that has that much value and that much fucking like impact and results. There's literally not one. One guy passed 3. Yeah, he went from $0 funded to $225,000 funded in like 2 weeks. Fucking crazy. Devious work. That's life-changing shit. Has he been full porting? Nah, every single trade was like decent risk. Feeling bad now what I said because you will tell for the company? Nah, I won't, bro, but bro, you don't have to feel bad, you're good. Nah, Jed, he didn't full port. He just traded like with good conviction, you know, like 1% risk, and then also just let the winners run, right? He did like 1 or 2% each day, because with like, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, what's good, Owen? What's good, Freddie? What's good, Gene? Zulu? Oh, Zulu, you've been here for ages, but hello again. What's good, man? Good morning, everyone. You boys traded already? Nah, nothing. Absolutely nothing here, man. Literally no setups or anything. What does that Trump's tariff stuff mean for the market? It just means uncertainty right now, to be honest. Bro, it's all engineered. I guarantee all of this stuff with Trump driving the stock market down, I guarantee it's all engineered. I guarantee it's all done to push the price down, like a reset on the stock market. Even the Treasury Secretary in the US government said that they need a reset. They want like a reset. And that's exactly what they're doing, like 100%. Drive prices down, create a bit of stability, and then rebuild it. All of this right now is just essentially inflation, like artificially inflated prices. Can you use your chi to push gold up? I wish it was that simple, bro. Actually, I reckon you like a loose T. What is that? Trying to crash the market to get a better interest rate on our loans? Smart. Flavor tea, no tea bag. Oh. Nah. I don't really drink tea, to be honest. I'm a bit of a fake Brit in that way. Trying to refinance the loans we owe. Bro, this is what I never understand though. Like, who do you owe the loans to? I know it's to other countries, sorry, but like, and also private companies, but just print more fucking money. Surely. I'm joking, by the way. I'm joking. Trump admin kicked out Elon. Really? Crazy. Is that true? From Doge, he's no longer involved? Crazy. Bro, I think it was pretty bad optics, to be honest. But at the same time, I think he was doing really good work, so... But the guy's like basically just tweeting on social media and shit. Like, I don't know. I don't think it looks good. What's good, Matt? How's it going, man? Chat, 30-minute closure here in about 4 minutes. Starting to push back up as well, which is nice. As I said, if we can make this closure above here, chat, we're good to go. Closure above. Difference in ideals? Nah. Anyway, chat, yeah, closure above 1, 3, 4 here. It's gonna be super nice, especially on the 1 hour. That's gonna be like a weak 4-hour close, right? Short NAS at market open. NAS, why? I guess, yeah, it's gonna rip, right? So you're gonna get, is anyone gonna get filled? Like, surely pre-market is already down like crazy. 1,000 points post-market. That's ridiculous. Oh. All right, chat, 3 minutes. Car tax flying. In the UK or what? Chat, this 30-minute closure looks like it wants to close Rotax. Oh, crazy. It looks like it wants to close Doji. It grabs so much liquidity but still can't push. It's constantly rejecting off the wicks. That is true, bro. That is true. Finally put tariffs against... Did they? Interesting. Driving on earthquake conditions. Yo, honestly, like I always say this, but when I first moved to Cyprus, I was gonna move my car out there. I was gonna like ship it out, and everyone was like, "Nah, you can't. The roads are terrible. The roads are terrible, bro. The roads here are fucking 10 times better than the UK. How come our levels aren't based off of 30 when we're trading off that? Well, we're not, right? Like, this 30 minutes going to close within the range, and the next closure is going to be an hourly closure. Like, there's going to be nothing on this 30, and then the next closure is going to be the hourly, so there's no point me changing my levels, because, like, the next closure will be when we get our position, most likely, which is the hourly closure. Does daily look like it's a buy? I don't know, man. It's not, like, at the minute, it's doji, right? I mean, it's a little bit bearish, but I don't see gold pushing down here, especially with the tariff news and everything. Realistically, this is just a liquidity grab or like some take profits, in my opinion, because like the dollar's so uncertain right now. I feel like people are still going to rotate into gold. Chat, I might buy a new watch. Why do your candles look different? Just depends what broker you're on, right? If you look on the daily on this, then it's like that. Oanda's a bit shit though, but I have to use it because it's got the correct 4-hour close for Forex. Dollar week, gold must be bullish on NYF, not sooner. Yeah, same thing. That's exactly what I think here. Chat, drop a like if you haven't already though. Let's get to 50 likes on today's stream. If we do, I'll give away... If we get to 50 likes, I'll give away like a week of signals to someone. It's a pretty fucking good deal. Funded. Alright, yeah, look, 30-minute closed here. Pretty much like doji, bearish in the range. Turn it to a stream for free, get a week of signals. I know, all you have to do is click a free like button and then you get a week of signals. It's fucking crazy, right? I mean, someone does, right? It's, bro, I actually swear, we give out too much value here. End stream if no 50 likes. In these times, only threats work. True. Late here today, been busy. What's good, Kata? All good, man. Okay, chat. Starting to push up. I'm actually in a sell right now. Hopefully it plays out, Jar. What do you think of funded next? Bro, I only trade with one prop firm, and that's ACG. The reason being, I've been paid out by them. They're legit. I've never really seen anyone have too many problems. And they're probably the biggest prop firm right now outside of FTMO. Are you in a sell right? I'm not in a sell right now. I was just reading out what Jar said. My bad, Umar. That, yeah. That might have sounded different. But chat, look, I want to see us come and close above the level here. Realistically, we've grabbed so much liquidity from down below. You should see a push up when the volume increases. But again, it's just so much indecision here. The fact that it could do both means right now I can't take any positions. How do you at someone? You can only do it on PC. All right, Jed. Exposure says, good luck, Jarmans. Yeah. This 30 flipped and 24.7? Yeah, I guess. I think so. Look at the 1 hour though. I just see like, I genuinely just see a liquidity grab from below, right? I think genuinely we've made a higher low in order to continue back up here. Like if you look at the structure, I need to change the color of this though. It looks shit with this. What color should we go for? What color should we go for, chat? Pink? Let's do pink. You got like a higher high being made, higher low, higher high. Then you just consolidate, right? Like this. Then you make essentially a low here. You make a higher high. And now you're making a higher low in order to continue back up, in my opinion. Especially with all this liquidity being grabbed. Like, I don't see anything else happening. I got the itch to trade sat on my hands right now. There's no setup, right? So there's no trade, very clearly. Chat, give me 1 sec, yeah? 1 second. Oh. Wait, what is my shorts there? Alright, cool. Okay, chat, I'm back. Ah, fuck, I left my glasses in the other room. Alright, I'm back. Anyway, so... Yeah, 5-minute close bullish here. 30-minute, still pushing up. 1 hour, obviously... Chat, we're still in the range, right? There's not much for me to say. Jar got sales from 31.40. That's crazy. That's a W right there. Bro, you saw like, what is that? Like 240 pips? And you didn't close? Bro's going for the monster. Going for the God position right there. Yeah, wait, I need to get my glass. Wait, what? 31? Close partials SG, I'm not insane? Okay, yeah, it makes sense. 31 or 41? What? Nah, wait. I don't know. Anyway, I think we could. What's good, Christian? I think we could hit 31.50. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I mean, we'll see, right? We'll see. That level was right? Okay, yeah. Nah, 3140 is crazy. Matt, where, not Matt, sorry, Jar, like, what's your thesis behind that? Thesis. You know what I said, Ben. Don't say 140 had a support, wait for the break. On like the 5 or something. Fair. I mean, look, fair. Chat, this range is really, really terrible right now. Like, there's no volume. Yeah. There's absolutely nothing I can do. Chat, realistically, I might call it a stream here, to be honest. Like, we've got no volume. We're just consolidating. Yeah, there's not really much I can take. It's been difficult trading this week, to be honest. The patient people, though, are gonna be the ones who last out in trading as a whole, right? If you've only got like one trade this week, or even if you've got no trades this week, don't see that as a bad thing, and don't have FOMO when people are essentially saying they caught this, that, this. You know, everyone trades at their own speed. I've only taken one trade this week. So just remember, right? You stayed disciplined, you stuck to your plan. That's the most important thing in the entire world. But yeah, chat, I'm going to call it a stream here right now. If you are going to dip off, make sure you drop a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. But I've got nothing, as I say. So yeah, chat, with that being said. Oh no, I don't want to resume campaign. Yeah, drop a like, subscribe, join the free Discord. And let's play the GeoGuessr. Might go hit the gym early. Have a great day. You too, Lua. W stream though, again, a lot of value, a lot of knowledge, a lot of education. Some good questions being asked, some good discussions. As always, chat, even if we don't get positions right, you still leave here a better trader. And that's the most important thing, right? That's why you keep turning up every single day, because you leave a better trader, and that's the most important thing, by far. All right, we started it off here. W discipline was good, level up. Yeah, W indeed. Awas. Chat, where is this? I have a feeling here. I feel like it's somewhere like this. And I was massively wrong. I was logging in. Yo, my bad now. My bad. Love the stream. Hey, Orange, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Welcome to the stream. Obviously, yeah, it was a bit of a slower one. We didn't catch any trades today, but sometimes so is life, right? The value is still there, the education, all that sort of thing. Still there. %, this is here. I don't know which part of it, but I'm gonna put it there actually. If it was the first one, I'm gonna, oh yeah, go on. What a guess. Veg taking the early lead. It's a tight game here, chat. There's a game, I forgot the site, but you could 1v1 in trading. That'd be pretty cool to watch. No way. Oh, we have to do that. Ah, okay. I don't know where the fuck it is, but I know which country. All right, nice. Are you gonna stream on NY? Yeah, in the Discord, I'll be on stream. Depending if there's like yesterday, I didn't stream in the New York because there was just absolutely nothing. Like price action looked like this. Wait, what was it? Price action looked like this, so choppy to the point where I couldn't actually even start to think about taking a trade. Oh, this is immediately here. I don't know where, but somewhere there. Ah, close enough. Chat, it's a close round, this. Chart champs? Alright, I'll keep that in mind. Chart champs. I hate these ones, chat. I hate them. I never know where the fuck they are when it's this gibberish fucking language. Like, chat, is this Thai? Is it fucking Sri Lanka? Where the fuck is it? It was Thailand. Fuck's sake, chat. Jar's been there. Alright, we'll take a fourth. We'll take a fourth place, fuck it. I was pretty much in the lead there until the last one. Alright, chat, look. JJ, congrats for winning. Other than that, chat, that's been me. Congratulations if you took a dub here. Congratulations if you stayed disciplined and stuck to your strategy. Otherwise, chat, look, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye.